Alright, we're getting to a moment of truth time here with our little sheath. And like I mentioned in the previous video, I know we're going to have a little bit of a problem with the very, very top because of my slight miscalculation in the thickness of the hinge. I put just a little bit of a fillet on the, I always want to say fillet, but a fillet on the rounded the edges on a few of these parts, so I was curious to see how that would come out. I'm just doing the very, very top layer right now. I think one or two more layers and that's about it. This might be the last one. And there it is. Let's say hopefully this thing would be smart enough not to drop down on my print. That would be a disaster, huh? Wow, 3 hours. Go ahead and move this guy up just a little bit. Move you forward. And we'll go ahead and just shut you off real quick so you don't get any ideas of your own. And there you have it. Here is our sheath. Notice a couple boogers here on the side, which I will aptly use the tool that is going to fit in here. Oh! So some of the design features, you notice the belt clip. The belt clip over here, this is just some support that was printed so that this part wouldn't collapse. There is a little bit of a indent to kind of hold the belt in there. And it's actually darn near perfect for my own personal belt. I didn't want it to be super loose, so I didn't really design it to fit a lot of different belt sizes. The raft I printed because I was having some problems with adhesion to the build surface. Now, from what I gather, you either do a heated bed with glass or you do a cool bed maybe with some hairspray with this masking tape, right? Well, don't have any hairspray. I'm a little reticent to use. I like the theory of the hairspray on the bed, but you know, with all these parts here that are kind of, you know, supposed to be sliding really smooth, and you know, the fan and stuff, I'm not really trying to spray hairspray around my 3D printer. I guess people do, but anyway, so I'm kind of not supposed to be printing PETG with the monoprice. It seems to do okay with it, but that's part of the reason that I did the raft. I don't think I have the raft settings great. I'm almost positive it's going to be quite a pill to get this thing off the raft. There was like an overlap, and maybe if I made the overlap much less, then the rounded edge on the bottom would be a little bit smaller, but I fear I have I should have somehow printed, like made a I don't know if there's settings where I can put support in between the raft and the part, but that's probably what I would try to do. Well, I'm going to let this cool just a little bit more, and then we'll come back and we'll see if see how we're doing. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and keep engineering.